Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video is on ticker symbol ISIG for Insignia Systems, and this thing has been running hot. In 2 days, this thing doubled. Today it was up by 21%. I will just show you the chart. 21% today. If you look at yesterday, boom, from 11.4 all the way to 29 point something today. So I'll talk mostly about the short interest, at the same time short profit rate, support, resistance, and many more things. And if you find this video useful, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also like this particular video, and I have a Patreon community. You can join my community. Let's have a look. You can join as a patron and you can get access to my Discord community so that you get pre-market and market alert and we can make some money. No Discord, this is also okay. You can join my YouTube community. Just be connected. Let's be in a community and let's make money together. Okay, so ISIG. First of all, let's have a look on this particular chart. What happened, as I just showed you, that thing was 11.4. Yesterday it hit 22, 23, came down. It was resting on 18.9. Pre-market it was around 18.8, just moving sideways, then started moving up. Before the market opened, this thing actually went to 23. At one point after market open, it went to 26. It got halted, then again it went to 29, and with the time it's coming down. So the place it started, it came down. But the good thing is, whatever was the high yesterday, let's look at 22, 23 area. Today that resistance became the new support. So if you think in terms of a stair, this is a good thing, right? From here to here, here to here. So the next leg would be even higher, and this thing is continuing maybe 29, 30. I'm not saying it will go to 29, but I'm just saying we will see with the price action. So anyway, but few more things. Let's have a look in terms of volume. You can see the yellow bars. Whenever the stock got volume, this thing moved to 25, 26, 29. Again, no volume, came down, and suddenly more volume back to back 2 days. And you can see this thing is again back to $25, $23 again. As long the volume is coming back, this thing will continue. But look what happened last time when the volume was around 80 million. It was here. Today the volume is around 40 million, same price. So if we have double the volume, who knows, this thing can run even higher. In terms of the volume, so the average volume is 15 million and today's volume was 28 million. Okay, almost 2 times more volume. In terms of option, they don't have any option, but the one thing is, if you go to their current short share availability, it is 0. So there is no shares that are available to short. At the same time, who are shorting this particular stock, they are paying 182% of short borrow fee rate. So it's very high. Nice candidate for a short squeeze. It doubled already, but there is more opportunity to go. One more thing I want to mention, like whenever you are playing this kind of thing, you never know what will happen. So whenever it goes up, lock your profit or use a stop loss. And when it comes down, do not try to catch it unless you do not have a very good conviction about this particular stock. Because I saw many people, they bought something at 45, then it came back to 10, they bought it, then it came back to $2. It's happening everywhere, right? So just a caution that we are here to make money, not to lose money, not to become a bag holder. So that's the important thing. In terms of short interest, if I go to Fintel, it's showing me 61.6% short interest. There is only 0.05 days to cover, so whenever it will squeeze, it will run really fast. The dark pool short volume ratio is 49%. The same thing, no shares available to short, and if you come down, almost 50% shares are shorted. Okay, let's go back to the chart now. So I want to start from a daily perspective. Just want to show a few things, right? So again, the recent run, right? You see from $5-6, it went back to 36. With time came down, found a support around 16.7. Again, a push towards 23, 24. Came down, found a new support around $11. Then back to back 2 days. And when you look at last 2 days, a big wick at the top, right? It goes somewhere, then comes down, moves up, come down. So if you're day trading or if you are just caught up at the top, maybe end of the day you see it bleeds slowly. So if I go back to 1 hour chart, see the thing, right? It goes up, with time it comes down, goes up, comes down. If this is the pattern, that okay, pre-market, and after the market open, this thing will pop, with time this thing will come down. So we will watch how this thing is moving. Let's go back to the previous time when it popped. You see the yellow, these yellow hairs, these are the pre-markets. Again, pre-market pop, after market hour open pop, comes down. Next day, again pre-market pop, market open pop, comes down. So this is the pattern. So this is what I'm trying to say, that if you buy pre-market or after market open, it might come down. Do not be a bag holder. Just play this, make money, get out. That's it. Okay, does it mean it will pop again? I do not know. I'm recording this particular video at 7 p.m. We will see. This is the after hour. Who knows, we might end up somewhere pre-market. We will open higher, it will make another push. But just looking at this thing, look at few things here. So 18.8, 19, this is one area of support, right? Because it was supporting here, went up. Now where it is supporting, look at here, right? Look at here, the 22.3 area, right? 22.3 area, this is the support. And also I have another area, 23.2. So let's say almost 80-90 cent spread. It is consolidating in this area, but if it can break and it can starts going higher, maybe we will see another run tomorrow. But it does not guarantee it will run, because in 2 days this thing came from $10-11 to $23, almost doubled, right? Keep that in mind. Now if you start a position, you can start a position around 22.3. make sure you have a stop loss around 21.8 or something, 21.5. It's up to you how much of volatility you can absorb. But this is the support I'm looking at, because if this support is broken, this thing might come down. One important thing, some people just draw some line to show a trend. So if you are that kind of person, I will just add the lines for you. So this is some kind of trend, goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. So if things are happening in the right direction, then this thing will bounce from here, go up and hit something 34, 35. Do not forget, last time it went to 35. So who knows, maybe it will go back to 34, 35, then it will have a bounce back. In terms of a daily chart, I want to show you the RSI. So look at the RSI. Look at that, it is still rising, not over 70, not even overbought yet, but this thing is rising. If I look at MACD, because these are very common indicators people use. So in terms of the daily MACD, you can see the blue line is just about to cross the orange line, meaning that things are getting bullish, more buying pressure are coming, and we will see tomorrow. So this is how it is looking. Do not want to make a super long video. If you find this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, at the same time give a try, join my Patreon, and let's make money together. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.